Good evening, everybody in the crypto world. It is 12:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good day, depending on when you're watching this. It's 2/13/2020. A great day. Free APLs sent to your Apollo wallet from my APL wallet. And all you got to do is use my reference code that I will provide in time for this Knox launch, the Knox exchange. All you have to do is register for the Knox exchange using my referral code and sub to my channel. Very easy to do. All you got to do is do screenshots, and I'll go through this in 1 second. Let's show you this really. When you zoom in to the Knox exchange, Knox, Fort Knox. Okay, and you have here, you see John Smith verified. And this basically shows that you're logged in. So your name, get my drift? It doesn't really, whatever shows there, but it shows that you're logged in. And then using my referral code to register. When you do this, then I will send the free coins to your wallet. Now the amount of free coins have not been determined yet, but I'll give you an instance of this. The last Apollo airdrop was 500 APLs. Let's put it this way. If you were a part of my channel back 2 years ago, I was giving away free coins. A lot. Okay, a lot. I was doing 1,200 daily for 3 months and gave away in giveaways 1 million, 5 million, in different times. And 7 million, actually, now that I think about it. Back then, that's changed. There's no more of that big number giveaway, but I'll tell you one thing. It's going to be higher than a 500. And it's probably going to be right around 1,000 APLs sent to you. By basically, the nice thing about this, you're doing what you want to do. You want to register for the Knox exchange. You want to be able to take advantage of it. My referral code will give you savings. And coming up after CEX, once it's all rolling, then I'll have a referral link for all the social echo. On the intro, you saw the ecosystem. And there's more and more things coming in the products that Apollo's doing. So, by using my referral link and my referral code coming up shortly, you're going to be able to take advantage of saving money and getting your free APLs. Such a deal. So let's go to the market and more stuff here. Oh, actually, I'll concentrate here. If you haven't gone to the new website, it is aplfintech.com. aplfintech.com. And go down here, the Knox exchange featured. The problem, the barriers to cryptocurrency are extensive, and large fiat deposits take days. The solution by Apollo. Physical locations and regional bank partnerships facilitate near instant bank transfers and cash deposits, removing traditional barriers. The benefits. When you look at the customer service, will be the best on earth, boasting 24/7 assistance, boasting bank-grade encryption. Cold storage, folks. If you're not familiar with cold storage, that is what you want. That's what Coinbase uses. It is the safest way to go, so your coins cannot get hacked. And also, too, your CEO not running away with your coins. There's a whole protection here with Apollo, and that's great. Nuclear detonation protected service storage and the cold wallet. That nuclear detonation protected service storage is what you want. Great security. Smart KYC technology allows for some of the fastest KYC on earth. So this is coming next week. It was supposed to be this week, but the website took a little bit longer, and they're doing more and more security to the Knox. So it's taking a little bit longer, but if you can wait a few extra days for the website, you can wait a few extra days for Knox. Plus it gives time for me to organize this free giveaway. So when you have the exchange that you should read up on, go through, you can see all the different articles and different things they have there, right? But when you go through the different links here, hit the learn more, and that'll give you all the information you need to see here. What you have to keep in mind is that nobody's doing anything like Apollo, and your investment in Apollo is very inexpensive right now, but guess what? It's got a good chance of doing something because of what Apollo's doing for you. Africa. Oh, just go there real fast.
An MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, has been established between Apollo and the Lesotho government to begin the design and development of solutions for a number of government systems and initiatives. This MOU is a historic achievement for the advancement of blockchain technology, making Apollo one of the first cryptocurrencies to achieve an MOU of this level with the government of a nation. Additionally, Apollo will be setting up exchanges and physical headquarters within the nation of Lesotho. These solutions can then be implemented into any nation, with Lesotho well established as a launchpad for the rest of Africa.
Apollo Knox, are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Because it's about to happen. ApolloKingdom.com is a great classified ad site where you can just place your ads and see what you can do to get the stuff sold. And a nice thing about it, a lot of great deals, a lot of great art, look at the tech. Okay, you have a lot of good stuff here. And all you got to do is just keep in mind this, that when you list on here and you get all the different things that you're doing on this site, it's all Apollo. And you buy and sell products using Apollo. You can do location, which is very easy to do, and take care of business for a localized piece. But remember this, you're usually sending your Apollo wallet to wallet. And guess what? Apollo's wallet to wallet is 1 to 2 seconds. Whew! That fast. Yep. It's proven. It's been that way for almost 2 years. 1 to 2 seconds. Whew. So immediate payment. Let's get over to the news. You've got the market cap at $302 billion, steadily growing. 40 billion in the daily volume. Bitcoin at 10,418. Ethereum at 270. XRP at, wow, 32 cents. XRP is up 14.18%. Cranking XRP, cranking. Let's look at that. Price, analyzation time. The price, analyzation time. When you look at, this is the ticket. Look at the volume growth. Okay, when you got that type of steady volume growth, that's your trains rolling. And up, look at that. So not bad XRP. You know, people who were saying that XRP years ago going to be $500 and all that stuff, it's not going to do that now. It's not, unfortunately, guys. Sorry to burst your bubble. But is it going to be a good profit maker? Yes, it is. When you look at this type of production right there and the green market that we're in, even at 32, I bet you right now this is going to make you money if you get involved in it. That's the ticket. Bitcoin, it's going on its adventure. There's no way it's not going to go on its adventure. With the halving this year and so much for the limited supply of this coin, that is going to be big. And let's get over to some of the stuff. Tom Lee says that $30,000, another $30,000 on top. So Okay, Tom, I don't think it'll go that far, but I do think that you'll see Bitcoin at 20 to 25,000 this year, which isn't too bad. Ripple proposes deletable accounts for the XRP ledger. A little boring for the average Joe, but guess what? It's something they're working on, because at this time right now you can't delete accounts, so that's something there. MasterCard and Ripple's Xspring join industry group to promote blockchain education. So that's nice to see that that's going on. Remember this. This is a short and sweet video because I checked everything on the news cycle and there was not much to deal with at all. This is what you got to deal with. This rebranding, Apollo working in Africa, Egypt, Zimbabwe, the social ecosystem coming. That social ecosystem, I've said it before in my last few videos, when it comes out, and the first phase of it is going to be coming out this quarter, which is a month and 2 weeks away, this quarter. Okay, that's the time span. So quickly this social ecosystem is coming out. It's going to blow your mind. I've heard about it, I've read about it, I've talked to Steve about it. It's going to blow your mind. And when it does, the exposure that this social ecosystem is going to get from partnerships and marketing and everything else, it's going to explode. Private data. Nobody has access to your data. You have one login, and it goes across the whole scheme of the platforms. And you have the ease of one location and one app. Click. Ding! And this piece, along with what they're doing with the Knox exchange, having that availability for you guys out there. It's going to be great to get Apollo FinTech, Apollo Currency APL bought through Africa, and people can tie their fiat currencies to Knox, and everybody can buy in. That's the benefit of Knox. Knox is secure. And guess what? Apollo's doing it for you. And all these different programs that they have here, there's more coming. They're going to be loading up. There's basically another 4 coming that I know of. And then more and more coming. I'll be promoting, pushing to help everybody, including myself. This is the thing you got to think about. Apollo's doing it for the government, the commercial, and the consumer. And I'll be focusing on the consumer, of course, but also featuring the government solutions and the commercial products for promoting Apollo and getting everything done out there. Plus my promotions on WeChat, Cebu in China, progressing nicely, and more stuff that we're doing all over the world. Those promo videos will keep coming and be pushed out there all over the top 23 social sites in the world. That's what I'm doing. Marketing. Okay, that's what I do. Marketing. And anybody that has any questions, let me know. But the thing you got to think about with this free coin giveaway, you're going to be registering on Knox with my referral code to qualify. You subscribe to my channel. Easy, most of you are already. Then, this is for the newbies. And then you also need to follow Apollo Currency on their Twitter page. I'll have all this in links in the description of the videos. So all you got to do is just go down there and read it in the description of the video. And keep in mind this, these are my coins, not Apollo's. Mine. Mine. Everybody have a good one. Exciting times ahead. And I do mean exciting times ahead. Remember this. Knox is going to be your own exchange, and with a mobile view, it's going to rock. No doubt about that. Everybody have a great one.
Drop it for rap, hold the beat, drop it for rap, hold up the beat, drop it for rap, drop it for the beat, drop it for hold up the beat for rap, hold the beat, drop it for rap, drop the beat, drop it for rap, drop it for the beat, drop it for watch it make it break it down.